Okay. Now first the cell. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲೇನಾಗೋದು ಜೀವಕೋಶ. Now cells are combining together to form tissues. The tissues combine together to form the organ. Then organs combine together to form organ system. Then organ systems combine to form organism. Note, ಈಗ ಏನಾಗೋದು ಜೀವಕೋಶಗಳು. Now the cells they combine together. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವಕೋಶಗಳು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಟಿಶ್ಯೂಗಳನ್ನ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪೇಶಿ ತಯಾರು करना. So the cells combine together to form tissue. Now tissues all together they are forming organs. Kai, bai, kannu, kivi, mogu. So like this the organs are produced. And these organs together they combine to form the organ system. Organs ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ वेगवेगळे काय भाग आहेत आपल्या देहाचे त्याला ऑर्गन म्हणतो आम्ही. हे सगळे ऑर्गन कंबाईन होऊन काय होणार? ऑर्गॅनिझम होणार. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡೋದು. So in this way the cell group of cells they are forming tissues, group of tissues they are forming organs, group of organs they are forming organ systems, and group of organ system they are forming organism. So in this way the organism you are observing. So like this you just observe the brief study of the chapter cell. Now I am going to one of the video which gives the nice idea regarding this cell. Now we'll go back. Here there is a thief who is running away from the police. So see, police is behind him and he is to save himself he is running away from the police, and then directly he is entering in a cell, and inside the cell whatever the parts are there, all those parts you are observing. Here consider yourself as a thief. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ತುಡುಗರು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಬೆನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿದಾರೋ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? ಈಗ ಜೀವಕೋಶದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. Now you observe. ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಜೀವಕೋಶವನ್ನ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು, ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಜೀವಕೋಶ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಜೀವಕೋಶದಲ್ಲಿ this is an animal cell, and what thief is running now, he is coming side to this cell. So what happened? Just see. So see here, animal cell is surrounded by a semi-permeable cell membrane. So this is a cell membrane. So outermost layer of the animal cell is a plasma membrane. So this is the plasma membrane what we are observing. So animal cell is surrounded by semi-permeable cell membrane. So the semi-permeable membrane, what is happening? I told you, it is allowing only water to pass through it. It is allowing water inside, and whatever carbon dioxide is there, that is coming out of the plasma membrane. But other than water, it is not allowing any other things. But in case of animal cell, what is happening? The cell membrane, it is allowing water to pass, but along with the water, some of the solute particles are also passing. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೋದು, ನೀರಿನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲೌ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಾ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್ ಇದು ಅಲೌ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ತುಡುಗ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕಳ್ಳ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. The cell membrane allows only specific materials to move in. Now see, the cell membrane allows only specific materials to move in and out of the cell. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನೀರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೋದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಲೌ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ತಪ್ಪಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬೇರೆ material, now the another material, he is trying to enter inside, but says humans are not allowed. So other materials are not allowed there. Now see what cell is doing. If that material is required to the cell, okay, sometimes it is allowing those material to enter inside. Because of that, differentially permeable or selectively permeable you are calling. Just see now, he entered inside now. Now see, we are scanning inside animal cell. What all is present? The different parts of the cell are called organelles. So the different parts of the cell we are calling them as organelles. The first organelle is the nucleus. Now see, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Now here, golgi apparatus, lysosomes. So the different parts you observe. Now one by one you observe carefully. Now see, Now the person entered inside. As soon as he entered, that is nothing but a cytoplasm of the cell. Okay? Now see. Cytoplasm provides a surface for all the organelles in the animal cell. Now let us study these organelles one by one. We are studying here. Now, you enter in the cell, first you are observing the nucleus. Mr. Nucleus, he is telling something to you. My name is Nucleus. Being the control center of cell, I decide and control most of the functions going on in the cell. So what it is indicating? The nucleus is the brain of the cell. It is the most important part of the cell, and all the activities they are taking place by means of nucleus itself. Now see, it is a control center of the cell. Now see, the second organelle what we are studying, that is mitochondria. I told you powerhouse of the cell. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ. We are the sites for cellular respiration in cells. So, ಎಲ್ಲ cellular respiration ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಈ cell ನಲ್ಲಿ. So, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ energy ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗೋದು. So, it is producing energy, and that energy is temporarily stored in mitochondria. Later, it will be useful to the body. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So, time is restricted. So, as a result, you just observe it. The energy is in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. ATP is required for functioning, growth and maintenance of the body. Now see the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane bond sheets. So it is covered with the membranes. Now see, they help in transporting and exchanging materials between the various regions of the cytoplasm. Okay, the supply is outside that. Now endoplasmic reticulum is of two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is smooth type of endoplasmic reticulum, another one is rough type of endoplasmic reticulum. So, here the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is synthesizing lipids in the body. The lipid is badly required, it is essential. The rough helps in the protein synthesis. Now ribosomes, they are building proteins the rough, above the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So they are synthesizing proteins there. So Golgi apparatus. is processed inside the Golgi apparatus. Whatever protein is there, the processing is done in Golgi apparatus. The proteins are packaged and sent outside. Now see, the Golgi apparatus is involved in the formation of lysosomes. The lysosomes are produced by Golgi apparatus. Now the lysosomes, that is the suicide bag of the cell. The lysosomes contain the digestive enzymes that helps in cell digestion. The cell, if it is damaged, the damaged cell is engulfed, it is eaten, it is digested. So, the damaged cells are just digested by lysosomes. So, we are calling them as the suicide bags of the cell or time bomb of the cell. These are the digestive enzymes, and these digestive enzymes, they are engulfing the cell. Digestive enzymes digest their own cell. So you are calling it as the suicide bag of the cell. Hence, lysosomes are called suicide bags of the cell. So, dear friends, that's all about the cell. Today, you learned a lot of things regarding the cell.